guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back, and to the new subscribers, you are welcome. So guys, on this particular video I want to share with you why you should avoid sub for sub. I mean, why are you still doing that? Do you want to harm your channel? That's definitely going to affect your channel, guys. I really don't know how I want to keep explaining this to you all, because when I go into the comment section of many YouTube creators, I see most content creators still doing that. Sub for me, I will sub for you. Vibe for vibe, sub for sub. It is wrong. It's going to affect your channel in the long run. If you think you're helping your channel right now, trust me guys, it is going to hit you hard when you least expect it. This is not like me praying bad for your channel, but you are the one actually hurting your channel at the moment, but you don't know it, you can't see it yet. Let's say for instance you have 1,000 subscribers from the sub for sub, right? And the 1,000 subscribers aren't viewing your videos, they're not viewing the videos you are uploading on your channel. What's going to happen? Is that how you want to grow your watch time? Is that how you want to grow your watch hours? It's not possible, because I mean the views amounts to watch hours, right? So how are you going to get that? You just have the 1,000 subscribers sitting pretty on your channel, but you're not getting the views. How do you explain to other viewers that aren't subscribed to your channel that you are having 1,000 subscribers and you aren't having views? How do you even explain that to YouTube algorithm? That's where the whole shadow banning thing comes up. Because I mean, your channel is just there. You're having the subscribers, you aren't having the views. It's as though you bought the subscribers. So guys, avoid sub for sub. Avoid it. I mean, avoid it. You are creating content, right? Keep on creating content. If you're not having the views, do not give up on yourself just yet. You are definitely going to have the views. I mean, this is where the whole content creators that you are currently wishing to be right now, that's where they all started from 0 views. But they never gave up, because if they did give up, you wouldn't be seeing them right now, you wouldn't be subscribed to them. So avoid sub for sub. If we don't know what sub for sub simply means subscription for subscription. I'm subscribing to your channel. Am I really interested in what you're doing? The niche you're having, do I really want to be a part of it? I cook, right? You are a tech person. I don't enjoy watching tech videos, for instance, right? So how do you expect me to enjoy watching your video because I subscribe to your channel just to have you subscribe back to my channel? It's not working, guys. There are people that don't love they don't like seeing the cooking recipes, they don't like seeing how the food is being prepared, so they're not really into the cooking niche. And I walk up to them and tell them, please subscribe to my channel because I want an added subscriber. And at the end of the day, they're not viewing my videos, they're not viewing my content, they're not engaging on my content. How is that going to help my channel grow? These are the questions you ask yourself to avoid harming your channel. I mean, to avoid terminating your channel for good. It's really going to be bad one morning you wake up and prepare to, start up your day with, uploading a picture on your YouTube community or uploading a video, and at the end of the day you're seeing that your channel has been terminated. Whew, how are you going to feel, guys? I don't know if you've been there, but I have been there. It is bad, and I really do not wish that for any one of you. So avoid all of this. If some content creators are telling you that that's how they grow, which I haven't seen, but it is bad. Truthfully, it is bad, guys. Sub for sub will harm your channel. The truth. Avoid it. And also avoid going to content creators comment section and telling them sub for sub. I mean, stop it. You're also endangering their channel if you do not know that. I've only said my piece, guys. Please avoid it. It is wrong. Okay? I will be seeing you guys in my next video. I really just came here to tell you that sub for sub is bad. Our how to series are still there. Okay? You can actually click on it on the playlist. It makes it easy for you to, get access to different how to videos. So if you haven't seen anyone, then this is it on the screen, and also the YouTube AdSense information, the monetization process and all of that. I have a playlist for it also on the screen. So guys, click the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys. Until next time.